Nobody told me this before my first build. These CPUs will destroy your money and your patience. These chips are either defective, dead end, or a total waste of money. Here's the breakdown. Intel, 13th and 14th Gen, have a known degradation bug. Your CPU can permanently damage itself under load. Intel even admitted it. These chips are ticking time bombs. Avoid them used or new. Pentium CPUs in 2025, dead platform, no hyper-threading, beaten by chips half the price. It's not a budget pick, it's a trap. AMD Athlon is outdated silicon. No upgrade path, no future. A used Ryzen 3 destroys it for the same price. Avoid these three. Save your money for parts that actually work. Subscribe for more quick PC tips and stop buying bad hardware. Stay on for more parts you should never buy.